I would like to call Simran Khatun. Simran Khatun. She belongs from class 8 in the topic of Independence Day.
Dear Principal Sir and dear respected all the teachers and the most respected and a unique personality, the Director of SS Public School, Mr. Sahbaz Sir, and all chief respected guests and all my dear friends. A very beautiful good morning to everybody. Well, I am Simran Khatun, a student of SS Public School, class 8. Today we all are gathered here for celebrate Independence Day, and today is a very special day for me because I got a golden chance to say something in front of you. Before moving forward, I would like to wish you who all are present here a very happy Independence Day. So without wasting the time now, I will start my speech on Independence Day. So listen to me please. Today is a historic day in the history of our country. On this day, 15th August 1947, we got independence from the British. This day reminds us of our true worth and importance as a freedom-loving brave nation. The freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of decades-long struggle made by our forefathers and our great leaders. Great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and many others devoted their entire life for independence of our country. Their sacrifice can never forget. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Today we have right to choose our government since independence of our country. It has developed in many areas, but there is a tile work to be done and achieved. It is our duty to fulfill the dreams of a developed and successful country with peace and harmony. I would like to say the thoughts of freedom fighter. So listen carefully please. Number 1, Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh said that life lives its own. Other soldiers are used only at the time of funeral. It means जिंदगी तो सिर्फ अपने कंधे पर जी जाती है, दूसरों के कंधे पर तो सिर्फ जनाजे उठाए जाते हैं. Number 2, Bal Gangadhar Tilak said that do not try to avoid fears, dangers and failures in difficult times. They are definitely come in your way. It means आप मुश्किल समय में खतरों और असफलताओं के डर से बचने का प्रयास मत कीजिए, वे तो निश्चित रूप से आपके मार्ग में आएगा ही. Number 3, Chandrasekhar Azad said that don't see others doing better than you. Beat your own records every day because success is a fight between you and yourself. It means आप दूसरों को खुद से बेहतर प्रदर्शन करते ना देखें, बल्कि रोज अपने बनाए खुद के रिकॉर्ड्स को हराएं, क्योंकि सफलता आप और आपके बीच एक लड़ाई है. Number 4, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू said that failures come when only we forget our dreams, objective and principle. It means असफलता केवल तब प्राप्त होती है जब हम अपने आदर्शों, उद्देश्यों और सिद्धांतों को भूल जाते हैं. Number 5, Subhash Chandra Bose said that redeeming in duties and compromising with mistake is the biggest crime. It means याद रखें, अन्याय सहना और गलत के साथ समझौता करना सबसे बड़ा अपराध है. Number 6, Dr. Rajendra Prasad said that what is wrong in theory is not appropriate in practice also. It means जो बात सिद्धांत में गलत है वो व्यवहार में उचित नहीं है. Number 7, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल said that if your goodness come in your way, then let your eyes get red and fight against injustice with close first. It means जब आपकी तेरी माँ किस तरह सोई होगी, मैं तो बस इतना जानूं कि वह गोली भी तेरे सीने से उतरने से पहले रोई होगी। अंत में मैं अपने सभी दोस्तों से ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि दुनिया में देश में अपना नहीं बल्कि दुनिया में अपने देश का नाम कीजिए, बिकॉज वी आर द फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर कंट्री एंड फ्यूचर ऑफ एनी कंट्री डिपेंड अपॉन इट्स स्टूडेंट्स। नेम एंड फेम ऑफ एनी कंट्री रेस्ट ऑन एजुकेटेड youth. In other words, students are the real future of any country. Students are the future of any country. They are more important for a country like India if the energy of the students are the real future